Hello folks, it is Veda Day Tuesday? Is that what day it is? I think it's Tuesday. Just got done working out. I did the Les Mills workout again. I think Marissa did some yoga? I did power yoga. We're going to have some eggs. This is how I get Marissa's sunny side up. I don't have a small enough lid. I don't worry about it with mine because I like over hard. So there's that. There's the result. Pretty good. Like that. And then, I'm decent at this, but I always put it over here in case. That's what we're up to. And yeah, I'm sure we'll see you before our walk. It's a little muddy and puddly. And also, I forgot the battery for our actual camera, so this is off the phone. But, oh well. Kaylin, do you have fun? Yep. Eat the log.
No fun.
No fun. Hi.
No fun. Let's go.
Look, I can get everyone in one shot. That was fun, very muddy, and now we actually have a really cool treat to come up with. We'll take you with us, and free ice cream day. What kind did you get?
I got the Tonight dough.
Nice. Can you see me? I got salted caramel.
Hi, welcome.
That was
Delicious.
I still have some of mine. Off to the right here, we have a lake. This is called veda12. It's a big deal because it used to be known as Lake Calhoun, but Calhoun was not so awesome. So, like, this is a sign. So that's the sign, and it is now the name that it was before they changed it to Lake Calhoun. So they changed it back to its native name. So we are super on board with this. We think that's awesome.